Hey, what's up, everybody? Real quick video. Just want to show this is a Glock 29 Gen 4. And this is for anybody who has had issues with these Pierce Plus 10. You see, this is a factory 10 round mag. And what will happen is when you load the 12th round into this magazine and you install it into, you put the mag into the mag well, the follower will fold over. I'm gonna show you real quick. I think I figured out, I think I fixed it. And I think I figured it out. And I'm gonna show you what I did. So right here on the bottom of the mag, this is the mag. On the bottom of the mag, and I already did the repair. I used my Dremel. I can't record and do the work, but you can see the bottom of the mag. The mag has like a small bevel on the factory 10 round. And all I did is take the Dremel and went around the edges of the magazine. And it seems to be working flawless now. There it is. It won't hurt the integrity of the magazine, but it will improve the reliability. There you go. There it is. Flawless. I think I fixed it. I figured it out. So y'all try that if y'all had them issues.